In front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Start by opening Recorder app and tapping on this red button at the bottom to start recording. Then hit allow in the pop-up, and as you can see, your recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the middle one. Now to listen to it, click on it. If you wish, tap on Transcribe over here, and then make sure to click on those three dots at the top right corner. Most people miss that here you can check out all of those options, like trim audio, then trim it, hit remove or trim, whatever you wanna do, and tap on save at the top right corner to create a copy of your recording that's edited. Select save. You can also edit your recordings from the list by holding the one you wanna manage and operating all of those options at the bottom, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!